What if you never had to worry about your workout? Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. What if you're an average, normal, everyday adult and you're trying to strength train and you're having to figure out what my workout exercises should be, how much weight should I lift, what should my form look like, how much should I progress, when should I progress, how do I stay on track if I have an issue? There are a million barriers for the average adult to strength train. This is why working with a trainer makes so much sense. They'll write your workout, they'll design the workout, they'll track what's happening in the workout, give you feedback, coach you through the workout, make adjustments when you need to, demonstrate your progression when you're progressing. And so they do so many things that allow you to focus on the one thing that matters most, which is to simply work hard. So if you like the idea of getting benefits but not worrying about your workout, medfitnessprogram.com is the place to be.